Ditch the hustle and embrace the chill. Yes, you heard that right. In the digital age, lazy has a new partner in crime: productivity. Let's dive into the world of legitimate work-from-home jobs that let you earn while keeping it laid back. First up, the virtual assistant. Picture this: managing schedules and emails in your pajamas, coffee in hand. The remote work boom has skyrocketed the demand for virtual assistants. Tailor your hours, pick your tasks, and thrive in the comfort of your own space. Next, the content writer. Unleash your inner wordsmith and get paid for crafting stories and engaging content. With the freedom to choose projects that spark your interest, you can weave magic with words on your own terms, all while lounging on your favorite sofa. Then there's the online tutor. Share your smarts from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether it's languages, math, or history, tutoring online lets you help others while padding your wallet, all without changing out of your sweatpants. Or perhaps you're the dropshipping entrepreneur type. Run an online business without ever touching inventory or fretting over shipping. Promote, sell, and earn commissions while platforms like Shopify handle the nitty-gritty. It's business ownership with a lazy twist. And let's not forget the transcriptionist. Convert audio to text with just your keen ears and quick fingers. It's a role that offers the ultimate in job flexibility and the chance to improve your efficiency over time, all from your cozy corner. So who says lazy can't be lucrative? With these work-from-home opportunities, you can turn your relaxed approach into a thriving career. Choose your path, be it virtual assistants, writing, tutoring, dropshipping, or transcription, and start earning from the sanctuary of your home. Embrace the lazy life. Your bank account will thank you.